All right, once our cinnamon rolls are cut, I'm gonna grab a large Ziploc bag and we are gonna place all of our cinnamon roll pieces in our Ziploc. All right, and then I'm gonna add 1 stick of melted butter in our bag, just like so. Then I'm gonna grab my granulated sugar and we're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Get this open and get my measuring cup so we can measure out 1 cup of sugar. Perfect. Place that right into our bag. Last but not least, we're gonna add some cinnamon. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dessert that everyone will love. Oh my goodness. All right, we're gonna go ahead, get all the air out of our bag and then zip it up. And then we are just gonna toss our cinnamon rolls into that butter, sugar, and cinnamon mixture to create the ultimate dessert. Oh my goodness, this is gonna taste so good and it's gonna be so easy to make. I like using the grands because they roll apart and they create even smaller pieces than you would if you're just cutting the regular cinnamon rolls. But whatever you have will work. You can even use homemade cinnamon rolls if that's what you prefer. Okay, let's get these all nice and coated. All right, that looks great. I'm gonna bring in my bump pan and my Pam, and I'm gonna go ahead and give this a quick spray so that nothing sticks. All right, now we are gonna open up our hefty bag, put that to the side, and we are gonna take half of our cinnamon rolls covered in sugar and butter, and we are gonna place them on the bottom of our bump pan just like this. Look how beautifully coated these cinnamon rolls got in that hefty bag. I absolutely love this method for this dessert. It just makes everything so easy and delicious. Oh my goodness.
These look fantastic. They're all evenly coated perfectly.
Yeah, so great for this recipe. Okay, I think that looks like about half of them. All right, and right on top of that first layer, we are gonna grab our sliced strawberries and kind of just sprinkle them right on top. Oh my goodness, so delicious, so beautiful, and just some fresh strawberries. We gotta save some for the pups, but that looks like a beautiful layer. Now to get extra delicious and amazing, we are grabbing our cheesecake no bake to do a layer of that with our cinnamon rolls and with our strawberries. Can you believe it?
Oh my gosh, I didn't even expect this.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Strawberry cheesecake cinnamon rolls. You heard that right. Cannot get any better than this. I am just grabbing my mixture and kind of spreading it. We don't need to do a super thick layer. We just got to make sure that we do a nice, bump pan circle so that there is no spot without cheesecake. Okay, I think that looks incredible. Now, of course, we're gonna use the rest of our cinnamon rolls and finish up our dessert. Oh yeah. Okay, I think I might have put a little too many on the first layer, but that's okay. These will expand and it will be so good and covered. All right, that is it. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for 45 minutes. Oh my, look how decadent that looks. It smells incredible. It is time for the reveal. We are gonna go ahead and put our platter. Woo! Make sure it doesn't slip off.
Whoa,
Oh, we did it. Thanks for going on that journey with me, you guys. All right, I'm gonna put the icing right on top. Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
It smells amazing.
All right, guys, I know it kind of fell apart. If you guys have any tips on how to keep this more together, leave it in the comments, but I still think it's gonna taste amazing. Doesn't that look so good? All right, time to give this a try. Be careful, it's super hot.
Is it good?
Okay, she's not a looker, but she tastes incredible.
My favorite.